Imagine a fish that can weigh up to 20 pounds and stretch more than 29 inches long. Meet the largemouth bass, a favorite among anglers for not only its impressive size, but its spirited fight. This freshwater fish thrives in murky waters across lakes and rivers, making it a thrilling catch for any fishing enthusiast. Today, diving into the world of largemouth bass fishing, several techniques stand out for their effectiveness. First, consider the time-tested method of using plastic worms. These lures mimic the natural prey of bass and can be particularly enticing. Rig the worm with a bullet weight to help it sink into the depths where these fish like to lurk. Slowly retrieve the lure to mimic a worm's natural movement, pausing occasionally to let it sit. This method can provoke bass into striking, especially in warmer waters. Another effective approach involves crankbaits, which are perfect for covering a lot of water quickly. These lures dive under the water and create vibrations that attract bass from afar. For best results, match the color of the crankbait with the natural prey in the area. Retrieving the crankbait in a sporadic jerking motion can mimic a wounded fish, an irresistible sight for a hungry bass. Topwater lures offer a particularly exciting fishing experience. These lures stay on the surface of the water, creating tempting ripples. Use them during the early morning or late evening when bass are most active. The sudden explosion of water as a bass strikes can be heart-stopping. Be patient and wait for the full weight of the fish before setting the hook to ensure a good catch. Spinnerbaits also deserve a mention. These lures are excellent for fishing around submerged structures like logs or weed beds. The spinning motion of the metal blades not only reflects light but also generates vibrations. This combination proves irresistible to largemouth bass lurking in cover. Cast beyond the target and reel in, brushing past the structure. This can trigger a reactive bite from bass positioned for ambush. In conclusion, catching largemouth bass requires both patience and strategy. Whether threading a plastic worm through lily pads, casting a crankbait across a rocky drop-off, tossing a topwater lure during the dim hours, or buzzing a spinnerbait near a submerged log, the techniques vary but the thrill remains the same. Remember, the key to successful largemouth bass fishing lies in understanding these creatures' habits and habitats and choosing the right lure for the right conditions. Happy fishing!